Hello and welcome to the Mansuri Show. It is my distinct privilege to host highly esteemed diplomat, Ambassador Munir Akram.
Pakistan, of course, has its own priorities. Jammu and Kashmir is, of course, our first priority. We are at the moment in a crisis with regard to the Palestine question, Gaza.
Do you feel or believe that the United Nations Security Council has failed in its role?
First of all, I think the failure is not that of the Security Council as much as it is a failure of the member states. We are a leader on the economic and social issues. You have to respect yourself to gain the respect of others.